Hi, my name is Keith Thompson. I'm a system engineer here at Burke Porter in the Dynamometer group. At Burke Porter we have a unique blend of expertise in machine manufacturing and product testing. We have produced a wide range of dynamometers for testing such products as motorcycles, ATVs, hybrid vehicles, and light, medium, and heavy-duty trucks, as well as producing test platforms for components like transmissions, clutches, powertrains, and gearboxes. In the last 5 years we have produced 8 heavy-duty dynos to India, China, and North America that range in size of 40,000 newtons to 270,000 newtons of tractive force. This machine behind me is our model 9248. It's our largest chassis dynamometer produced to date. It is capable of 250,000 newton meters. Compared to our standard 200 horsepower machine, that is 50 times more torque. Imagine that 50 200 horsepower motors stacked up side by side produces an equivalent torque to this machine. In order to generate that much torque, we use 2 hydraulic shear brakes, each one capable of 83,000 foot-pounds of torque, and 2 large 500 horsepower AC vector motors. Another feature of this machine is that you can split the axle. That allows you to measure wheel torque independently from side to side. We can also simulate speed splits between the 2 tires. We've got a robot that will drive this vehicle. This particular customer wants to simulate driving around a mountain. He's going to record the speed splits or the speeds of each tire. We will then use the robot to play that back, and we'll use the dyno to generate the same speed splits that he saw as he's driving around the test track. Next we'll go over our cell controller interface. This interface has been designed for our customers so that they can go in and change their tests, change their displays. They don't need to call us, set up an appointment for us to come and make changes. They can do everything themselves. There's no need to know how to program or how to write in C. All the blocks are drag and drop. Everything that they need is there. So we'll go over that next so you can see what's required for building your own tests and making your own screens. One of the common complaints we hear from our customers is that the existing equipment they have, they can't go in and modify it themselves. They can't go in and change their test sequences without calling back to the dyno manufacturer. They want something that will grow with them as their needs grow. That's something that we've really put a lot of time and effort to in our new BEP cell controller. We've allowed it so that as your needs grow, so can your software grow. Now I'll show you how to build your own test sequence. Click on Sequences, Add New, My Test. We've got a begin and end block. I'll start my test sequences with a logging block. I can click on this, go to Properties, choose my rate. Maybe I want to do a 10 Hertz log. Now I'll go down to the dyno blocks. My first step is I'm going to ramp the output speed up to, let's go 1,000 RPMs. Then I'm going to bring in the input torque, set that at 5,000 foot-pounds, and my last step will be to put in a wait for block, and I'll put in 1,000 seconds. Now there's lots of options in the test building. We've got branches, loops, subsequences. Let's say I want to loop through this test multiple times. Here I've got my loop. I'll stick in the speed block, stick in the force block, stick in the wait for block. Now I can loop through this same test sequence numerous times. Next we'll talk about the display. Here we have a display that we built for a wind turbine customer. We've got our input motor and our output motor. I'll show you how easy it is to go in and customize this display. If I go in under the display's main display window, here's my display. Click on the display mode. I can drag things, I can delete things, and I can even go under edit, undo, and undo these things. Some of the items that you can drag into here: bar gauges, dial gauges, LEDs, labels, system variables, thermometers, XY plots. You can add as many items as you want to. You can customize them to display any of the system variables that you want to. It's very easy to add and change your displays. As your needs change, your displays can change with you.